natural hair products. I asked you guys basically what natural hair products I should get because I was a heat trained natural, and then I'm, you know, basically going back to curly hair, especially for these summer months. Okay, so the products that you guys told me about, number one, this one right here, the doux Block Party Collection anti-humidity defining gel, has a firm hold, frizz-free style. Y'all said this was the truth, so I picked this up. And I also picked up something that was going to hydrate my hair. Leave-in conditioners hydrate, water moisturizes. Go ahead and start doing my wash and go. So basically I washed my hair, I just conditioned it since I shampooed it yesterday. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. My hair is nice and wet. Number one, I'm going to section my hair.